Similar triangles on SAT. Take a moment to read the question. Here we have an important word called similar triangles, and here we have two triangles F, G and H and J, K and L, and it is given they both are similar. And in similar triangles, corresponding angles are always equal. That means here it is given angle F corresponds to angle J, that means we can say F is equals to J. And here we have another piece of information, which is sine F equals 308 over 317. After looking at this piece of information, I am sure you are tempted to use Pythagoras theorem, which is hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. This is not necessary to use. Let's look at a shortcut. We know F is equals to J. Let's apply sine on both the sides. We know sine F will be equals to sine J. From the piece of information which we have, which is sine F equals to 308 over 317, that means sine J will also be 308 over 317. By this, we can say answer is option B.